I'm Kyle. I'm going to give you a quick tour of RPMWare and show you how you can go from sign up to taking orders in less than 10 minutes. First, we'll need an RPMWare account, so let's sign up. Click the pricing and sign up link at the top of the screen and select the plan that's right for you. We'll fill out this quick form and then we'll be ready to go. For our demonstration today, we'll be using a sample company called Tuner Parts Direct. For every RPMWare account, you get two URLs. The first, your full domain name, in our case, tunerpartsdirect.com. The second, .rpmware.com address is used while you're setting up your account. Let's use tunerpartsdirect.rpmware.com. Next, you'll need a valid credit card number and expiration date. Scroll down, accept the terms, and your account is created instantly. Now we're presented with two URLs here. The first, our public site, and the second, our admin area. I'm going to go ahead and just log into the admin area real quick to get that out of the way. Okay, so here's what your site looks like right from the start without doing anything to it. Your name up here, you have your categories, your brands. You can also select a vehicle and narrow down the parts that you have on your website just to that vehicle. We also have the same information over here, the categories and the brands. Next, let's go check out the admin area and get your site ready to go live. So I logged in before, as you saw. The first thing we'll do is set our pricing and our discounts. Click on the Items tab, then we'll click Active Status and Discounts. Here, you can turn on or off any brand or any combination of brands. You can sell as much or as little as you want. For right now, I'm just going to set one price. Before you go live, you should set all your prices. As you can see, you can set a discount from MSRP, Jobber, or MAP. In our case, as AEM, I'm going to set a discount of 10% off Jobber. I'm going to hit Submit. Then our 10% off Jobber is taking place for AEM. I also want to run a special on my cold airs and price them a little bit separately. So I'll click into AEM, and now for the cold airs, we're going to set a Jobber 20% off. Give an extra discount on those. Now click Update Status and Pricing again. Now all of our AEM lines can be selling for 10% off Jobber except our AEM cold air intakes, which are going to sell for 20% off Jobber. Next, let's click into our settings. The first thing I'm going to do is upload some files that we'll use later while we're setting up our site. Then we go into the File Manager, and I'm just going to browse my computer for the files I want to upload and upload them. Click back into Manage Settings. We'll update our home page. We'll add a slogan. We'll also add some text to the top of the home page. We also offer you content areas for your Contact Us page, your return policy, and your privacy policy. Just update this basic configuration. Now we'll get into the homepage featured products. These are the products that are shown in the grid below the information we just typed in for your homepage text. You can select as many or as few of these as you like, and you can change them at any time. I'm just going to randomly select a few and update. And that's complete. We'll go over to shipping methods. We offer live UPS rates, and you can mark up or mark down your rates by any percent. I'm going to select ground, and I'm going to double the rate so I can make some extra money on shipping. You can also set up static shipping rates, where you specify the minimum order amount, the base rate, and the per pound rate, so you can offer any sort of free shipping, discounted shipping, or custom shipping options that you want. I'm going to offer free shipping on orders over $150. So I set my minimum order amount to $150, and I set my base rate and per pound rate to 0. We'll add that, and when that's done, we'll move on. In our payments configuration, I'm going to set our tax state, which for us would be Florida, our tax rate, 6%. Now select accept credit cards, and we'll accept all of them. We also have live credit card processing, Google Checkout, and PayPal, but we'll leave those blank for now. Style. Every site is completely customizable. Your site will not look like the other RPMWare site if the other RPMWare sites if you don't want it to. We have a ton of options in here. You can do custom headers, you can do custom footers. We have 2 different navigation styles. I'll change this to stack to show you the stack navigation style. We're going to use a custom style sheet, and I'm actually going to have to go grab the URL from the file manager. So I'll just open this in a new tab. I'll grab my file for my custom style sheet that I created earlier. Pop that in there. If you don't want to make a custom style sheet, we also offer several options to set the fonts, sizes, colors, and backgrounds for many of the elements on our page. So I'll update my style configuration. And when that's done, I'll add a logo. My Tuner Parts Direct logo. Update that. Last thing on our settings is users. You can add as many users as you like. You can delete them at any time. For right now, we don't need to deal with that. So let's just go back to our live site and see how all our changes have taken effect. I'm just going to click back home. As you can see, the entire look and feel of the site's different. We've added our logo, we've changed our colors, we've put in our homepage text. In this case, it's 2 images, and we've set up our featured products. Now, let's go shopping for something for our car. I'm going to select a vehicle, because I don't care what you have for Supras or Evos. I have an Acura RSX, and that's what I want. Select our vehicle, and now the site's going to show me everything you have that'll fit my Acura RSX. I'm actually in the market for a cold air, so I'll click into AEM. This will narrow everything down to only the AEM products that fit my Acura RSX, and I can even narrow it down further into intake systems. But since AEM cold air is right here at the top, I'll select that right now. Good news, this part fits my car. I see it here, all my options. I have several high quality images to choose from. They're all watermarked with your company name. Have a nice description about the product. So I think I'll select the clear one. I'll add it to my cart. As you can see, the discount's automatically taken, 20% off a jobber. View our shopping cart and get ready to check out. Everything looks good to me, so let's go. Check out. I'm a new customer. Now I'll just autofill this form here, save us some time. I'm going to ship to my billing address. Here are 2 shipping options. If I change it, it'll automatically update up here and update my price. Free shipping's good for me. Let's enter our credit card number. I'll use the same one I used earlier. Finally, I'll set a password so I can come back and check on my order. Click process. And we're done. You got your first RPMWare order. Got my billing address, shipping address, order items, got my credit card payment information, got our order history, and got our order summary. Let's click back over into our administration area. Click on orders, and you'll see the exact same thing is instantly updated over here. Thanks for taking the tour with me, showing you. It was my pleasure showing you how to get RPMWare set up and running in just a few minutes. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us or search around our website a little bit. Thanks.